In a fight, the small guy can't fight a big guy because, yeah, fight you see. Go back lots. We need space, okay? Okay, good. Fight, fight. Try again. Because I do not know how to tilt. Can you see it's tilted? If it's horizontal, go quickly. Can you see it's already here? But right from the beginning, it's so to the touch, I'm already here. This is the worst. But as you touch, you're here. When you do this, it means there's a wall. I'm only doing this. If I do this, it's lost. So that's why our moves are like this. This is no good.
Say again, there's a wall there? I don't understand.
Yeah. Go behind me. Touch here. Touch my shoulder. Yeah. Just stay there. Push. No, better push. No. Like this way, but not this way. Okay. Yeah. Throw it. Can you see the wall moved?
Yeah.
You see that, right? But see?
The wall behind you.
Yeah, the wall behind me is not moving. I only move like this. And can you see? I move like this. As soon as I do this, it's gone. This is the ninja turtle. I have a wall behind me. Can you see? I move here. If I move like this, I'm gone. You see that now, right? Yes. Push. Can you see? But put a brake on it. Already a brake. So do you like this one? The next one is better. Strong guys. Around here. Yeah, over here. Hold lots. Here. Yeah. So more secure. If you hold a little tip. No, hold more. One here, one here.
Like this?
Yeah, that's stronger. A little bit wider. So that makes this strong. If you're only holding a dot, not strong. This is what I do. You have to push back. So lock that way. That's good. Now here, watch. Push me now. Bad. But watch. But you can do more. You can walk over. Oh, walk over, do more. Can you see? You still get me. But now, walk over. So now you fight me. At that point, can you see? You see that now? Go higher. This is only when I'm losing, I use it. I try not to. So push same here. No, same here, okay? Because it's easier for me, okay? See, watch now. But this time, towards the end, give a little bit more. That's the one, okay? Watch. At that point, strong. So this is, I'm just too short. If this is here, it would be perfect. Yeah. So imagine it's like that, it doesn't move, okay? If it does not move, we have this here, okay? Lock, no, go over here. Because I'm doing this, you have to lock it this way. Yeah, okay. Even, okay? Oh, it's like too many here, not enough here. You have to come over here, otherwise the power is not right. So this time, you can just take my bottom, go all the way. No, before that, can somebody come here? Yesterday we used, over here. Where is Ed here? You stay here. I'm going to fall. Come closer. I'm going to fall flat on here.
So I'm pushing.
No, you just like this. Okay. Closer, okay? I'm going to fall on you guys. You just push me. Left, very fast. You see here. This is the idea. We have to learn until we're not afraid of this. So go quickly. You see here? This is the 铁板桥. Only one person understands it. We have to learn two moves. One is when you're hit, your face is flat on the floor. The other is when you're hit, your back is flat on the floor. You have to overcome those two phobias. Then you know how to fight. Can you see that when this happens, how scared the whole body is like that? that's when you actually get killed. Because at that point, you go like this, your whole body loses everything. Your opponent can hurt you any way he wants to. Otherwise, when you touch me nicely, it doesn't matter. But at that point, if you go like that, you see, you go like that, it's like this. We have to overcome that phobia. And that phobia is only when you're like this. So when I'm standing, you take the bottom, I'm like on skates, right? Straight fall and backward. Everybody has to learn to deal with that. You want to learn that one? Yeah. I used all of this to show you. That one, who can I trust? First, I trust Jimmy. Okay, I'll show you the exercise. Don't do without us around, okay? Over here. Over here. No, you go over there. Behind me. Okay, all the nice people behind me. Go forward. No, step there. Okay. Nice people behind me, okay? So that I have no fear. Okay? And you go like this, hit me. It's small. It's small, very small. Very small. No, small. So that I feel like, you do that to tease me into, I can do it. At that point, you flip it.
What do you mean flip it?
You see here? It's over here. Until he thinks he tense up. He thinks he can do it. I do down and up, flip it. Wait until you feel I tense up. I feel, at that time, flip it. Straight arm, otherwise your power becomes smaller. Straight arm, like that. Like that. Like that. So you guys, when you are doing it, you know that when it's right, nobody can stop that sound. When the danger comes, the sound comes out. It's real. Go. Not fast enough.
Right.
Now watch. At that point, I get used to it, okay? At that, go, that's the point. Watch. On that point, I got you. That's called going over the point. See, watch, okay? This is one touch. I only learned this one. On this point here, I'm here. This is the training. On the fall, you fall with it to the other side. Can you see? We all go like this. This is the point. So, you see that place? On that place, I'm here. You guys saw me fight like that?
Yes.
At the crucial point, I'm here.
Yes.
That one you need mats to train again and again until this becomes dull, not sensitive to that scare. Because when you are here, somebody touches you, everything collapses. That fear is bad. You train until that fear is gone. That's the training. Okay, I have no more secrets.